Hello everyone, my name is Reshmi Mukherjee. In my channel, you get ICC, ISC, English Literature and English Language topics. So today we are going to discuss the transformation of sentences as you can see on my screen, and we are going to discuss around 20 sentences. Let us see the first sentence. She asked me what I would do when I left school. She said, within quotes, that means we have to write it in the direct speech. We will write, she said, what will you do when you leave school? I have my answers ready. So if you have any other answer, you can of course write to me in the comment section. I will tell you whether that is right or wrong. You have to make minimum number of changes, no change in tense, and also stick to the basic. Okay. Don't disturb the class, the teacher said to Joy. The teacher forbade Joy to disturb the class. Number 353. Goodbye, my friends, she said. Change the narration. That means you have to change it to the indirect. So she bade farewell to her friends. Okay. Number 354. We must do something to protect our environment. Something needs to be done to protect our environment. You can also write something must be done to protect our environment. 355. The hill stations are fast losing their green cover due to heavy constructions and population. Heavy constructions and population are causing hill stations to lose their green cover rapidly. 355. Okay. Next, we will move to the next part, the rest of the 5 questions from today's class. The leader tendered his resignation, taking responsibility for the defeat. We have to begin the sentence with the leader took. So the leader took responsibility for the defeat and tendered his resignation. 357. What a shocking news. We have to write it in assertive. That means statement, full stop sentence. We will write the news is shocking. 358. The old man made a lot of noise as he drank the hot tea. Write a simple sentence. Drinking the hot tea, the old man made a lot of noise. Okay. Next question. One is the police opened fire as they were unable to control the mob. Unable to control the mob, the police opened fire. The police opened fire when challenged. If the police were not challenged, they would not fire. Okay. Next question, 361. 361, what do we have? The principal walked about in the school without making any noise. So, the question is, write a negative sentence. The principal did not walk about in the school without making any noise. 362. Being a rainy day, the school was closed. We have to begin the sentence with since. Since it was a rainy day, the school was closed. Next question. Energy from the sun is used to produce electricity. We have to use the adjective form of sun. Sun we can write solar energy. So, solar energy is used to produce electricity. So, if you want questions to prepare from all the subjects, you can of course benefit from Gurukul by Oswald, most likely ICSE questions for the 10th class. What are the things that they offer? They give you chapter-wise, category-wise questions. You will get familiar with ICC Board Solved Paper 2023, the last year paper. The word of advice is also provided by experts as to how you should write your answer. List of common errors that is often made by the students is provided so that you don't make the same errors. Frequently asked previous year board question papers are there, which is incorporated so that you can practice more and you can prepare better for the exams. And revision for all the chapters at a glance is available. So the ICC question bank for the 10th class also consists of numerous tips and tools to improve the study techniques so that you are completely exam ready. So I hope this will help you. If you want to purchase this book, I have attached the link in the description box. You can of course purchase it from there. Okay. Next, number 364. Though he was tortured very cruelly, they could not make him speak. Begin despite. Despite being tortured cruelly, they couldn't make him speak. Next, 365. The officer refused to see Mr. Roy because he tried to bribe his way. Begin if Mr. Roy. So, if Mr. Roy had not tried to bribe his way, the officer would not have refused to see him. 366. I don't mind falling, but for not dishonesty. I don't mind failing, but not dishonesty. So, the answer will be, is going to be, I prefer failure over dishonesty. Okay. Moving on to the next page with the rest of the 5 questions for today's class. We have next question 367. Our company made all the arrangements for our trip to the United States. We have to begin the sentence with all the dash. So we can write all the arrangements for our trip to the United States were made by our company. Number 368, the security forbade us from approaching the gate, but we did not pay heed to him. So despite the security forbidding us from approaching the gate, we did not pay heed to him. Remember, despite of is incorrect. In spite of is right. 369, unless you try hard, you cannot succeed. The harder you try, the more likely you are to succeed. Number 10 or 370, the last one for today. He was so encouraged by the response he got for his first production that he has started the next venture. We have to begin the response. The response he received for his first production encouraged him to start the next venture. So these are the 20 questions that we had for today. I believe you tried them all and you could answer most of them. This topic is relevant for all the classes 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is a very interesting part of your topic. So try them. If you just let me know how far you have scored out of 20. Okay, in the comment section, 20 out of 5 is also fine. You keep on preparing. There is still time till the exam. So we are going to get the full marks from this part. Thank you so much. If you have any other doubt, don't forget to write in the comment section. Bye-bye.